Block Pong Cockatoo, or also known as the Mulaya Kakatupo. They can be from Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. But unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares in the room are being destroyed. So sana nga, nakatira isang Block Pong Cockatoo. Because they live in tropical rainforest. On this day, George will show us how to help restore its home by showing us how to plant at least what's happening daw si George ngayon. Habang sa bago gagawin yan. Pwede naman gagamitan ni George and Kuya sa style nila. And we have, parang meron dyan Kuya, ang ating 2 swords. Alright. And syempre we have 2 brushes. Alright now. George, are you ready? Ready naman si George Kuya. Alright, ang Kuya style at the count of 3. Lapak ng ating yung kakao. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and go! Alright, now boy, punin daw natin yung isang kahoy, boy. And there you go. Masa natin ilalagay yung sa SDN. Let's go, let's go. Alright, one more. Slowly, but surely natin yung punin. Ayan. Masa natin ilalagay yung sa SDN. There you go. Thank you so much, George, for helping our mother earth. So guys, we both fantastic. They use their nests using small branches. Unlike other characters that use their nests, tuwing sa ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing in paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, syempre, kukuha tayo ng volunteer. Ngayong hapon, I need 1 volunteer. Ano, kailangan natin. Sino gusto mo, Kuya Michael? Sino? Okay ka, Kuya Michael. Wait lang. Sino gusto? Wait, okay, si Ma'am na lang daw. Ma'am, ito lang po. Ma'am, dala ka ng paper money and 20 pesos. Okay, don't you worry po. Ibabalik po yan ni George. Ha? Okay, magaling lang po. Okay? Okay, ayan. Dala muna natin si Ma'am Rose. Alright, palapakan po natin si Ma'am, guys. Magbita tayo kay Kuya Michael. Bago tayo mag-visit, Ma'am, just follow lang po sa instruction ni Kuya Michael, ha? Alright, ng mga Kuyas, pag-ready na si Ma'am, just thumbs up lang po. Alright. Okay, now. Okay, now, ready na ba Kuya Michael? Ma'am, are you ready? Okay, relax ka lang talaga, Ma'am. Now, George, eto na. Get the paper money. And there you go. Punta kay Kuya sa akin. And, ayan. Okay, like I said kanina po. Ibabalik po yan ni George. Hindi ka nila. Ilipat ni George. Doon sa malayo. Again, babalik naman po si George. No, alright now, George. Uli na daw natin kayo yung paper money niya. Okay na, George? Bilang natin post. Ayan siya mo. Alright. And there you go. Alright, Mom. Diba? Now, Mom, thank you so much for participating po. Kinig-save of your season mo. Palapakan po natin si Mom, guys. And folks, before we say goodbye to George, sana po, pamanagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan po. So that's all for George. Palapakan po natin sila. Alright, now guys, so our next animal ambassador, they call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. Dakalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now come here the boy at ayan siya host. There you go, syempre guys, hindi dyan ang papahuli. Ang kanyang younger brother, na si Johnny. There you go, once again folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill. We decided to pick them up. Buceros Mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and Ensis meaning belonging to, therefore belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills are ang kanilang mga tuka. It comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita mo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilit mata po. Girls, legit na legit yan ha, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Alright now guys, ngayong hapon, magpapakitang-kila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Let's practice first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Come on, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready ng ating habisita mga kuya, ng Kuya Dexter, Kuya Jimar. Ready na ba? Ang ating mga kalaw ng folks. Bring while, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nagliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana ko talaga po subutin ka sa ating mga kalaw ay forever, no? Mas mga single ladies out there, ha? Kung nakahanap kayo ng forever, so alam na natin, no? Nandito lang ang... Ano? Nandito lang ang... Hindi sa mga trinos. It's your place. Once again, magpapakita nila sa ulit ang ating mga kalaw na folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis na to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin. Ating mga kalaw, Lady Marn and Kuya Dex. There are no books that talk about hornbills, and like most birds,